Lay face down on me really.
Yo, he said face down.
Yeah, face down.
Really?
Yeah, they signed me.
Face down.
Get in?
Team boxing team.
You're in face?
Yeah, I'm in face. Bro, that was all the script, bro, for my joining.
Oh, really?
Duh.
I'm ready.
Oh, God, I'm ready.
You ready for this? Let me look at your back really quick.
Oh.
Let me see what's going on.
You gonna see 3 backs in that big bitch.
Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Yeah, your hips are off there.
Ooh. That turkey.
Damn. Right there, you're a little off.
Ugh.
Oh, shit.
Right there. Yeah.
Hey, who got him? Wait, we gotta hear a crack, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will. You guys will. I just analyzed. Okay, now lay your side and face me.
Face him, so turn your back.
Turn your side and face me.
Don't roll over. Be careful.
Don't fall.
Yo, I bet because his ass might pop out. Yeah, that's why, Chad, that's why.
Yep, lay your side. Perfect, just like that. Now I need you to bring your top leg here. Here we go. Here we go. Just like that.
Oh, shit.
Someone said this is the most exercise he's gotten. Yo.
There we go. Let's see what I got now.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, right there.
Is it an old shit?
Right there.
Ooh.
A little more.
What I Wait, again?
We're not done. No. I need the other side.
Get your ass on the other side.
Yeah.
Boy, here we go.
The other side.
You were done, Snaggy?
Yep.
Shnaggyhose gonna beat me up.
Almost done.
Shnaggy looks good,
We're just
Chad.
started right now. Like
Fix camera? Oh, hold on, let me
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
They say you're gonna beat me out.
There you go. Let me see your hair. Hold on.
Yo.
Alright, there we go.
Is that good, Lico?
Oh,
That was
shit.
good right there.
He cracked it?
Here, lay face up for me. Face up.
Alright, so
That good, Chad?
Face the ceiling. Face the ceiling.
Face the ceiling?
Yep.
I gotta get on my back.
Yep, just like that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we get a good sound out of this one. Alright, guys, here we go. Roll towards me here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Breathe in and out for me. All the way up.
Oh, shit, I felt that.
One more. Here it is.
Oh, shit.
That was crazy.
Hey, you heard his crack?
Yeah. You didn't hear it? You gotta listen.
No, we're not done. Here we go.
He's not done, he's not
I'm not
done.
done. I gotta get my back. Is it like sore?
Yeah.
Here, Shnaggy, empty your hand out. Here, is it? Give me your hand. Shnaggy, give me your hand.
Hey, you want to hold his hand?
No, I'm saying give me your other hand. Your other one.
The neck of death.
No, I'm put it down for you, bro.
Alright, here we go.
The neck of death.
Yeah, you hold his hand right there. Yes,
Can you find his neck?
Right there. You guys ready for this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Here it is.
Oh my God!
You hear the sound? Take a look at this,
Don't do that.
We gotta hear it.
You guys ready for that?
Oh, yeah, ready.
You got inside here, right there. This side. Oh, there it went! It just fell into place. That's how much it was off. Isn't that crazy? That was amazing, bro.
Wait, his neck was off trace.
Yes.
Yo.
I mean, hey, from all that screaming, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah, facts. I'm glad I started streaming.
Did you like that?
I had to break your face. I had to break your face.
No nick in that.
There is no big thing.
Wildin', bro.
It's still a vape. It's still chemicals, okay? I broke your vape.
You can know.
You've been mad at me now, but you'll take the lid.
I gotta get back on my face.
Nope.
I'm good.
You're all good right there. Feel good?
Good job, Shnaggy. Good job, bro.
Hey, go ahead, that split, twin.
You're mad at me for breaking your vape?
I'm mad at you, bro.
Sorry, be a sourpuss. Alright, Snaggo, you're up. I don't even want to go yet, bro.
It's either go, it's either. Okay.
How do I lay? How do I lay?
Just lay face down. Let me check you out.
Bro, but I'm skinny and suave.
That's okay. You get really loud, probably. Some loud cracks here.
Oh, I'm scared.
Alright, I'll go next,
Yeah,
Chad.
go inhale. Oh, yeah. Let's go. It's gonna go straight through now.
Look. Yeah, you're kind of off right here, too, on this right side.
I have scoliosis too. Fuck.
You get scoliosis?
A little bit.
Right there.
Yeah.
You're off right here. This is a big area on like a lot of you guys from like
Gaming.
You know, we have gaming, like
Jerking dicks and shit.
Yeah.
Yo. Don't hit him too hard. You gonna get sick next thing.
Feel that one?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
you're right
hurts.
there and there.
Let me know when you're about to crack.
Cool. All right, lay on your side and face me.
I was just analyzing him right now.
Perfect. Slide towards me.
I probably got the worst back too,
Yo,
bro.
he has back problems.
Oh, man does?
Man got a hunchback.
Damn.
Perfect.
Can you put the mic near him?
All right, guys, ready for this low back one here? Let's let it go right
Everyone.
here.
Oh my God! Come on, bro! Chesur! Your shit is bad!
I can't breathe
Your
now.
shit is bad!
No.
No! I smell it, bro!
I can't be over there, man.
Chesur, what the fuck, Chesur? Did you shit yourself, Chesur? What the fuck? Yo! Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
You got shit at me too?
Yo!
I won't do it, man.
I mean, I'm trying to breathe right now. I mean, it's
Yo, Chesur!
I'm getting high off the smell of this right now. Like, it's bad. All right, slide towards me. Oh, man.
No way. Yeah, that shit credit cheekbone,
Man.
That's so funny, bro. Yo, Chesur!
I got you, go.
I'm scared to go now, bro.
Yo! Oh, man. Okay, here we go. Oh, God. Next side there.
Oh!
That's when it happened right
We
there.
need that, Chad. We need that.
Oh my God.
Lay the other side.
Oh my God, that felt good.
All right, just hold it in on this one, okay?
Yo, that nigga just tooted. Yo.
He queefed.
That was the only queen my legs were.
Yo.
All right, here we go. Right here.
Wait,
Oh my God, that was like 3
hear that?
pops.
yeah, does any of that hurt?
No, it feels so good.
It feels
I
good?
swear to God, it
Yeah,
feels
people
good.
always think it hurts.
Yeah, I'm scared, bro.
Face
Chat
up.
shot.
Here we go. Jesus Christ. Let's get the other ones here. Get the belt. Just hold them there.
Wait, shh.
Right there.
Oh my God.
Damn.
That's a big one,
I never
bro.
popped right there.
That was a great one, bro. You needed that.
Oh my God, Chad. Do y'all hear it?
Here we go. This one too.
That's crazy. That one was mid, but
All my life, that was like the
It
best
felt-
one.
That one was the best
That
one.
was the best one,
That
I
was a
swear.
good one, bro. Okay, here we go. Next time.
oh, next time. All right. Shh.
There you guys. Here we go. Let's see. Here's that right there.
Oh,
Oh my God.
I heard that.
I heard. Yeah, that. Oh my God.
free Chesur being sick for 2 weeks.
Oh, here. This one too.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That is fucking crazy, bro.
How your neck not snap?
He snapped his neck.
That's what I'm saying.
No, he's still alive, man. He's doing really
That's
good.
what's tricky. That's what's tricky to me.
That's really-
Yo, why are you guys screaming
Look
RIP?
at that one.
Yo, I feel like Jello, bro. This is
sure.
Oh, Chesur.
You're all set there, honey. Yeah, for sure.
We're going
How do you
ahead.
feel? How do you feel?
Am I up?
Yeah. Ready?
I'm ready, bro. Fuck it.
How do you feel? Okay.
I feel
You
like,
feel good? It's like you feel,
I feel like Jello. Oh God.
like you, but you feel good.
You need someone to film here. You need to film. Yo.
Want me to film this one for me?
Yeah.
Bend your fat ass. There we go.
All right, chat.
Yeah, just kind of like get close up. Just whatever, yeah. Just kind of, yeah, everything.
Like straight or sideways?
Oh God, I'm scared.
Probably like, yeah, like that, yeah. All right, Aiden, lay face down for me here.
Face down.
Face down, ass up, boy.
Let's see if hips are off real quick. Let's see if hips are off here.
That feels good on my feet.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, so lay down. Yeah, there we go. Head, there we go. Let's look around here. Any pain here? No. Yeah, right there.
It feels good.
Yeah, you got a little spot here, Aiden.
It tickles, bro.
Yeah, you just got spot right there.
Yo, can you stay still? Damn.
Yo.
Okay. All right. All right, Aiden, so lay on your side and face me.
Okay.
All right.
Wait,
Slide
this
towards
one
me.
hits.
Yep. This one hits.
What I do?
It's good hard.
Fire.
Yeah, slide towards me. Perfect. And bend your top leg over your bottom leg, like that, just like that.
Okay.
Lay down like that, just like that. Yeah. There. I'll
scared.
put a little microphone next to you here, okay?
Okay.
And then a little microphone. Get some
You put it in
sound.
my butt?
The butt plug.
No, it's a good I
Oh,
sound quality.
oh,
Oh, it already felt that? Here we go.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Like yours just fell in a place too. You
Yeah.
feel that? Okay, here, let's do this. Lay on your side and face that way.
Yo.
It's the other side.
Adin Ross. I feel so lightheaded from that, like in a good way.
Oh yeah, perfect. Slide towards me. There you go. Look at the phone. Alright, bring the top way. Alright, hey, you ready for this?
No.
No, you're not ready?
Kinda. I mean, fuck it.
Fuck it. Here we go, right there. Alright, so breathe in and out for me. This will all the way up.
Oh! That was so good. That was really good. That felt really, really good.
Alright, leg face up for me.
Wait, want to do the neck?
Yeah, we're doing more. Yes.
Nah, you gotta do the
Leg face
upper
up.
back.
Oh, face up.
Yeah.
That
Of course, yeah. Bro.
And
Alright, Aiden, ready? Raise up like this.
Oh my god.
This is a much needed one for you right here. See this? Yeah, right here. Breathe in and out for me. All the way out.
Oh! Fuck!
You're still alive, don't worry. He's stuck. What do you think of that?
That was crazy,
That
bro.
was insane, wasn't it? That's
That
like
was
such a relief.
Crazy, bro.
Isn't it?
Insane.
It's such a relief.
It's like literally a release, yeah.
It is. Okay, start for 2023, bro, right here. Here we go. In and out, bro. Breathe in and out. All the way out.
that one was loud.
Wow.
Yo. Wow, bro.
You gotta get on the facial, bro.
Yo.
Oh, neck.
I think I need a little more right here. Let me look. Woo, there it is.
Little chunk, yeah.
That's what I needed. Just that one little
That was great,
extra
bro.
spot there.
Are you in the neck?
Yep.
Oh no. Jeez, does it feel weird? Does it hurt?
No, I feel good, bro. I feel good.
I swear to God, it feels good.
Yeah, it's a great feeling.
You know what you're doing?
Of course. Yeah, you know what I'm doing.
I mean,
The
bro,
worst that can happen is your neck snapping in half.
chill, bro.
The worst.
Bro, be honest.
Don't scare me, guys.
Has anyone ever gotten hurt from this? Be honest.
No. No.
Promise?
Promise. But let me look first. Let me look at your neck. See right there? Does it kind of sore right there, right?
Tiny.
Oh, that
Right
coming there.
there. Alright, here we go.
Let me know where you're going.
Okay, just relax. How about?
Oh.
Damn.
I heard that.
How did that feel? Is it
Amazing.
I told you it's an amazing feeling.
That's great, bro. Like,
Literally, it's amazing.
I feel like you literally you get a nut off. I swear to God. Like, I feel like you're getting a nut off.
I swear to God.
In a way, but like with your body.
It's so easy. All right, let's get the other side.
Okay.
It's just like that. All right, let's get this side too. Look around here, right there. Relax your head for me. Relax your head. Dude, that was a nice one. Like that's a deep like movement in the neck. And you look first.
Okay.
Yeah. What'd you say?
I was gonna say you're gonna upload this and you're gonna be able to hear everything, right?
Oh, perfectly with this mic.
That's crazy.
Everything's gonna be like perfect, bro. You relax your head. Now, just look at anything else here. Actually, you do have a little suboccipital muscles to kind of tight right here. These are just from gaming, but I'm just gonna strip these muscles. Just kind of like strip them out.
that's head.
Huh?
Oh my God, it
That
feels so good.
Yeah, for sure. Muscles in here, yeah.
Oh my God.
Relax your head, yeah. And then after this, we're gonna get your ears too, okay?
Okay.
You got your ears. Yeah, your ass. Yeah, he has to get his ears done.
Oh.
You could pop
The
ears.
pop
Yeah,
ears.
of course.
What the?
Well, actually, I'm gonna do something else too. I'm gonna do one more thing on you with this little instrument I brought.
Wait.
Well, I mean, yeah, like it's a special kind of like adjusting tool that can like really be more detailed on tweaking stuff. But I'll go over. I mean, it's pretty quick.
Okay.
It'll be quick. Yeah. So let me see. Okay,
You doing it, Mo?
No.
Here, so lay face down for me. I'm gonna do one more thing.
Face down?
Yep, face down.
Bro, this is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
You stand up and feel it.
I know, right? Isn't it?
Wait, I thought you were over here. Tweaking. Wait,
Oh, I saw that.
oh, where are you putting that, bro?
This is gonna go on your body.
Wait, what part?
Check it out here. Well, you guys will see. It's just. All right, Aiden, so lay face down, Aiden.
Huh?
All right. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is just kind of like more like detailed tweak on the joints. See right there a little bit.
Oh!
You all right?
Uh-huh.
That was good. See?
Yeah.
Not bad. Just a little bit more tweaking on it. You're doing good. Yeah, and this breaks up with like
Yo, why are you moaning?
Hey,
Blow my back out.
Awesome. Okay, so set up for me and do one more thing for you too.
Oh shit. Okay.
This right here, you can actually go back on stream and talk to me a bit. I'm playing your deck to help out with like, this helps out with like pain and spasms. So,
What you gotta do?
it's called electrical stimulation.
What the?
Wait.
That sounds crazy.
I'm gonna electrocute. Wait. He deserved
You're here
it.
for them though, you know. Especially with all like the streaming, man. I'm telling you.
What the fuck?
You are found guilty with all 10 counts.
Feels so cold.
Yeah,
Wait,
they are.
so you're gonna electrocute me?
Something like that, yeah.
Why is it wet, bro?
Well, I mean, it's like a jelly substance that has to send the electricity into your body.
Okay.
So that sounds cool, right? No. All right, yeah.
Why else not RIP, chat? Is this her?
Nope, shouldn't hurt. It should feel like,
Electrifying.
yeah,
Tell me.
like warm apple pie. You guys ever heard that?
No.
You guys ever heard that?
No, I have not. Never heard that in my life,
It's
bro.
like American Pie, but okay, someone know what. You guys ever seen that movie?
Wait, oh, American Pie?
Okay, yeah. American Pie, but I'm just kidding. It's a joke, but just.
Alright. Whoa!
All right, are you good?
Yeah.
You can breathe? Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to
breathe.
sing up a little bit.
Put that bitch to 10,000 volts.
Is it good or is it too much for you? Because like I'm leaving on for like 10 minutes. While you do this, and then I'll crack more of them, okay?
Okay.
So,
Wait, hey, yeah.
is it too much for you or not?
I'll go a little up.
Yeah. Let me know what you can take, what you can't take. Are you good? Okay, well, you good, right?
Bro, I mean, like, damn, bro, you're really blowing my back out.
For sure. Okay, good. It's working. Okay, good. Perfect. So you're just hold it in your hand, okay?
Okay.
And let me know.
Yo, his shit's twitching
Okay, is it
crazy.
too much for you?
Ah, nigga, what the fuck?
I mean, can I grab your hand for?
Yes, baby.
Just a little more here. All right. Who have I not cracked yet? Raise your hand. Don't wait your hand from me, okay?
Okay. Wait, I really feel it. Is that normal?
What? Is it too much?
It's good, it's good.
Okay, it's good.
Wait, Ann, are you gonna do it?
Yeah, he's doing it.
You're doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Woo! Guys, Ann's gonna get his back blown out.
Yo,
I can't lay down like that.
But like, hold on.
Sit up.
Hold on, Aiden. While you're sitting there, let's see your ears. Ready?
Okay.
All right, guys. Ready for this? This is kind of.
And back blown out. And
Back blown out.
and back blown out. And back blown
All
out.
right, here we go. Check it out. If you want to come over here.
Yep. I'll just be the camera.
What are you gun, bro? Yo, you can't. What the fuck?
What was you talking about?
All right, check it out, Aiden. Right there.
Okay, that was crazy.
What do you think about that?
That was insane.
That was insane,
I
right?
feel like you just threw a rock in my ear.
Isn't that amazing? It's so cool.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
actually a lot of patients. This house out with vertigo for them.
I'll be calling them to hear this one.
Okay, yeah.
All right, shh.
Here we go, you guys. See it here. Right there.
Yo.
It don't hurt. It don't hurt. It just, it feels so.
You guys all heard that, right?
Yeah, I heard that,
I mean, if people like never believe that it actually does that. But
No, it really
now
does.
you actually do. Now
That's-
you know.
that's
Now you know.
crazy,
Popping
bro.
your ears insane. It is insane.
How you do that, yo?
That was insane, bro. Dr. fucking cracks.
I'm gonna crack one of them now. Ready for it?
Okay, so what do I do?
You
Just,
gotta,
You have to hold on to it, yeah?
can I just sit right there?
you gotta lay down and get the neck crack.
Yeah, and you basically, you're gonna lay down and you're gonna blow your back out, yeah?
Yeah, face up.
Face up, ass, oh sorry, and ass up, face down, yeah? What, he's trying to blow your back out?
Yeah.
I don't know like a lay straight.
Oh, you're right. Damn, I feel bad.
All right, so lay face down for me right here.
What does this do, chat?
Yo, come
Yeah,
back.
something with pain and muscle spasms.
I wanna hear Cuffem's and noises and shit. This is gonna be funny. Wait, I wanna do Zias. I'm gonna call Zias down here.
Here we go. Let's see.
Down here.
Any pain right here or no?
Yeah.
Which side hurts more to you? The right?
My
Actually,
back,
dang, man. You guys are all messed up in this area here, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Right there and right here. Okay, cool. I know your spots. All right. Lay on your side and face me.
You guys are
Look at all the areas I
G-spots.
felt. Yeah, you guys, I'm quick at it. I just feel you and I know exactly what I need to correct.
Yo.
Let's just, all right. So bend your top leg for me. And then keep your bottom leg straight like that.
Yeah.
There we go. And then kind of like
Ask him
side.
what?
Like this. Perfect. And then,
Yo.
this for me.
Lico.
All right, there we go. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, there it was. You got one there. That was good. That one went.
What?
I need that. Other sides.
Other right.
I can't like that. No.
Shit feels good.
It does. All right.
Cuffem sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Shit feels really good.
Yeah, you trying to
Chat to TikTok and it says neck hurts.
Chill, gang.
I played the TikTok 1,000 times on stream.
There it is. Ooh, I heard there it was. That was a nice.
Lico, show me if I can pull it up on stream because I'm being weird.
Fix your neck.
Sing Aiden. Nah. Here.
There you go.
Lico, send me a link.
So you're niggers?
I'm a Cairo.
You guys ready for this?
I'll show you how
That's a different guy. But...
Oh shit, my bad. Hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey, ready for this? Here we go, guys. Relax your head.
Wait, shh.
Damn, Cuff. You guys. That good.
My neck tweet.
Side two right there. Here we go. That was good, huh? You like that?
Yeah, I'm ready to watch now.
That's fire.
Damn.
They loved it.
Snaggy ball. Fuck, bro.
Pre-man chat, he said neck hurts.
Take it off.
You know the TikTok?
You can leave it on, it's fine.
Shnaggyhose? You know the TikTok?
Alright.
So your what does he say?
Yeah,
So your neck hurts.
Yeah, let me
Wait, say it how he said it though.
No.
So your
I'll get your mid back.
No.
Here we go. There. Let me look around here.
don't crack it too hard. You know he got stiff
Man,
bones.
He laughed. Yeah.
Right here too.
Can't breathe.
Yo.
Hold up.
It was bad. There we go. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, like face up. I'll do upper back. This is bad. Wait, face up. Face the camera. Perfect. This is gonna be a loud one because I can.
What you mean? What?
Yes, yours to be a loud crack for sure.
Whoa.
You ready for this? You're ready for this. Here we go. Just breathe in and out. Just relax. Breathe.
He broke him. He snapped him in half.
You did great.
Put the man down.
That was amazing, right? Such a release, man.
Yo,
Right down here. Bro. Here we go.
Wish.
oh!
Dude, let's go. You did great, man. You want your neck now? You ready for it?
Your neck.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah, you got
Damn.
it.
You gotta do your neck, bro. You got to.
For real?
You got
Oh,
to.
yeah, you got
This
it.
actually feels so good, bro.
Right there, dude. Right there. Here we go. What was that?
Get started, bro.
He's like literally profusely sweating right now on me. He's nervous for sure. But he's doing good. Alright. Bow your head.
Oh, yo.
That was nice.
Get started.
Yeah.
Alright, Ant.
That was cool, huh?
Ant's turn.
I can't lay down and do it. I can't lay down.
You can do your ears though.
So, yeah, you know what? I can do your ears.
Just sit right here.
Sit right here to your ears. Come on. You can do that at least.
The ear look like it hurt, but
Ant, no, it doesn't. I promise you.
Yeah, I want to.
shit gets right.
Aiden, move. Oh yeah, let me get out of my way. My bad, Ant. Let me get out of your way. Excuse me, sit that way.
Alright.
You can't do my neck, man.
I mean, I can.
I can't lay down.
W in the chat, man.
Well, how do you sleep at night?
Bad, horrible.
Yo.
You sleeping up on the chair?
I got to because of this.
Yeah.
Damn.
But even when I lay back, you can't lay back, huh?
I'll try one
Let me
time.
see. Let me look here. Neck definitely is it, man. I can tell.
Here, you wanna hold my hand while you squeeze for pain?
Here, let me get this right away. Okay, you roll off. Here it goes.
It doesn't even you have no reaction, bro. It does nothing. Like,
That was loud as hell. You didn't hear that?
no. It's like a little. That's it.
That was super loud.
Yeah, that was.
I wanna hear this one. I wanna hear this one. I wanna hear this one.
You guys heard it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
Wait.
Right there.
It's a little flick.
Yeah, it's like
Did you hear it?
I heard a little flick.
That was
Yeah.
loud, man.
Yeah, that.
What's going on? I mean,
You can't do his head?
Well, after his neck, this thing has to come off, you know? And like, you can take it off. Next time, though.
This, the strap to me?
Yeah.
Just a strap. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh shit.
I mean, if I do something like this, let me just in here. I just line this one. Let your head up here. Let's look around here. Watch your head. There we go. Did you feel that one? That was a good one. Let's do this one here too. Right there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought you broke your neck. That was insane. No, that was too crazy, bro. Yo, what shit? Bro, that reaction was. How do you not like react to anything?
That was loud. I did probably do that one.
That was good. You did good.
Last but not least, Zias.
So what do you guys think of it?
Insane, bro.
Insane. You guys loved it?
Yeah, no, that shit's crazy. Just do the last one. Can you do one more? Is that cool?
Yeah, of course.
Big DC.
Alright, lay face down back. Yep, let me look at your back. Let me examine you real quick. Why did you say it like that? Let me get you examined up here. Look at his leg length, see if his leg lengths are off. Damn.
I know.
Hey, yo.
Right there too.
I ain't gonna lie.
Right there.
Bro, the devil's testing me right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Right there, man. You got a couple areas. Okay, cool. Let's do this side first. Lay on your side and face me.
I fucking got the butt up.
Bend your top leg. Let me see your hand over here. Alrighty. Relax it in there. This little spot. Okay, other side. You got one more after that. Alright, slide towards me. Yeah. You guys go for this one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Wait, shh.
Let's get this one in here. Let's see it here. You just kind of relax. No, no, you're tight. You're good. You're good. That's better.
Y'all hear that, chat?
You were trying to resist me.
Oh, you gotta do the neck one. Oh, yeah, you gotta do
Bro, come on, bro.
I'm not. Yo. Oh, come on, that's like the best one. That's the best.
You gotta do the neck one. It's the best one.
He got a whole back.
bro.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that it?
Okay. Well, I mean, if you don't do anything else, it's fine. I know it's scary. It is scary though.
The neck one hit, not even actually.
I promise you guys good,
That
bro.
one hit real
I
hard.
swear to God, I wouldn't do it.
I was trying.
Alright, so I'll do it with this.
Were you still just been getting electrocuted?
I've been getting electrocuted this whole time.
He has been. It's good though. It did its job already on this one. Cause it's been about 10 minutes, so
That shit felt good as fuck, bro.
it
Bro,
does.
that crack in my neck, bro.
It was bad.
Yo, board my mother, bro. That shit though.
That shit was
What's your favorite? No,
my favorite was the neck, for sure.
dude,
The neck was
it's like
crazy.
such a like a relief.
It's relief, bro.
It's like a euphoria feeling, you know?
It is. Wait, so do you actually do this?
Yes.
So people are like actually do it to do it.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is like I did it for some content shit. I didn't do it to do it, but
Yeah. I mean, I see a lot of patients.
Because it makes you feel better after.
how much do I owe you for today?
I mean, I charge $5,000 a person.
5,000?
A person, yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Bitch, what?
So, but no, yeah, but don't worry. I'm not gonna charge you. Don't worry.
Oh. Well, no, I have to pay you somehow.
No, that's fine.
Somehow.
I mean, we can pay you something. Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Here, yeah, we can all pay you somehow.
Somehow.
Here, here, let us blow your back out.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Yo!
I'll be all messed up.
Nah, just do this. How about this? When you post your shit, I'll repost it. I got you.
What?
When you post
I know.
your,
No. Well, I mean, like this is a collab for collab. It's fine. Makes sense.
Oh, yeah.
But like, if I get like, you know, if it makes sense.
You
want cash as well, though?
Bro,
I don't have.
he collabed with Chesur, bro. He doesn't care.
Oh wait, he gave her a teaser check.
That's the payment, bro. I got you, bro.
Is that why he came chat? Wait.
So that's not works out.
Chesur, you know what you got?
Like, I don't want to try. That kill.
But anyways, what do you? See, they're saying I want to.
You want to pay
What are they
me?
saying?
Yeah, I want to pay him, bro. They're saying pay him.
No, don't pay me. That's called a collaboration, you guys. Collab for collab.
Collab for collab.
W.
I mean, I'm gonna crack Kim Kardashian soon. It's
You are? Oh, you actually are?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. It's gonna happen soon enough. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, because I'm friends with Brody, their brother.
Oh shit. That's
That's a big one, you guys.
that's crazy. You're gonna crack Kim Kardashian's back?
Well, I might need the Jenners first. I might need the Jenners first.
that video.
but-
All right, so chat. What we're gonna do is, bro. When he posts his video, what's your Instagram?
Dr. Cracks, dr.cracks, right here.
Dr.cracks. Make sure you guys show love on IG. Yeah. He did go crazy, bro. Chat. I ain't gonna lie.
TikTok, yeah.
TikTok and IG.
At DR Cracks. W promo, chat. Oh God, it's W promo. He cool as shit. And
MySpace.
he's gonna post my POV of like the sounds and shit. So when that's out,
It's gonna be fire.
we're gonna watch it on stream and
Really good
shit.
Sound quality.
Yeah. So you hear everything.
Oh, you'll see. You'll be like wowed out by it.
That's crazy. That's
Yeah, I
crazy.
think I'll love it too. Hey, so what's your favorite part? The neck?
Yeah, I love when you crack my neck. I love it.
What's your guys' favorite part?
The middle back.
It was the
I was like
yeah,
this
it's a
and
release,
went.
man.
That shit. Ooh.
Yeah. Now the neck was crazy.
The neck was crazy.
The idea, like, this is sort of like once a week to get this done, you know? Like, you're like,
Are you gonna come back and do it again?
I mean, I live like 5 minutes from here, guys, believe it or not. It's like,
Really?
Yeah, I'm super close.
Dude, the camera's off.
Yo.
Hey, Shnaggy's dad been at ball. What's up, bro?
Y'all being weird as hell. And you broke my.
I did break your vape, but you'll thank me one day.
Me, bro.
Chat, be honest. So that never L that I broke his
Oh, you know
vape.
what? To be honest, I've never had someone diarrhea in their pants like this guy has.
I'm little, so when he put that pressure on me, they just straight gas out my
Just tell me what you
ass.
got. You understand?
Definitely shocking or something.
That was crazy, cheese.
Cheese, that was crazy, cheese. You know
I apologize.
Cheese, you're gonna put on cheese alive?
Yeah, where I am, the fuck I'm grinding.
Me Putin while
I
I
mean,
get back.
I've never had a patient do that until now.
Actually,
That was your first time?
First time ever, yeah.
All right.
I don't know if I should tell you that's a good thing or
I
bad.
mean, I don't know.
He showed his pants, bro.
Very nice. Very nice.
It was like a diarrhea.
That was bad.
Very nice. Very nice. Wait, why did you just freeze? Why did you?